Hello, my name is Isabel, and now I'm going to show you how to allow ActiveX Controls to run. When ActiveX Controls in your web browser are disabled, you may have some problems with the internet because you cannot open some sites or you cannot download some programs from the internet. At first, open a web browser and then in the menu, select Tools and then Internet Options. Okay, and now we select the Security tab. And there in the security level for this zone, we have to click on Custom Level. Okay, here in the settings, we have to find ActiveX Controls and Plugins. Here you can see. And we have to allow previously unused ActiveX Controls to run without prompt. So we tick Enabled instead of Disabled. And now we click on OK. Yes, we are sure that we want to save the changes. Okay, now click on Apply and click on OK. Now we have to close and reopen the web browser in order that our savings and changes were functioning.